everybody, welcome back to my channel, Life with Lo. Thank you for coming by, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and be part of the family. So in today's video is going to be a little different. My husband today actually decided to cook. So he's gonna cook something totally new. I have no idea what he's making. He's over there and he got everything all set up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna be behind scenes recording him, and he's gonna be doing some of the talking. So I hope you guys enjoy this. You know, we gotta enjoy this quarantine time together and just making it special. And I think this is gonna be fun, and it's gonna be a yummy food that he's gonna be making. So if you're interested in finding out, keep on watching.
First thing you do is chop off your chicken. That's what I'm doing. I don't like any fat, so I'm getting rid of the little bit of fat there is on this chicken. Just make sure there's nothing worse than chewing on it. Chewing on the fat.
So while my husband is back there, he is cutting out the chicken. I am having a glass of wine. Still cutting those chickens, babe?
Yep. Almost done.
So yeah, so I wanted to know why walnut chicken.
You're asking me why I pick walnut chicken?
Why walnut chicken for tonight?
So a couple of days ago, a friend of mine posted it, and it was walnut shrimp, which I also like. And I saw it, I'm like, you know what? I gotta give it a go. And in case people are wondering why walnut chicken, I probably first tried walnut chicken probably like 25 years ago. I kid you not. And since then, I probably introduced 40 plus people to it. And every single time I introduce somebody to it, no lie, the first reaction I always get, everybody looks at it and says, "What are you eating?" I'm like, "Just try it." They're like, "I don't know." I'm like, "Just try it." And every single person who's tried it has got hooked on it. It looks kind of weird. It tastes amazing. Walnut chicken's really good. It's fattening, but it's really good. And walnut shrimp's even better. They usually serve it with like broccoli and stuff. But yeah, that's why walnut chicken.
Walnut chicken for tonight. Yummy. So here are all the chicken. He did 2 packages of breast chicken.
And of course, so now we're gonna add 2 cups of water, and we're gonna bring it to a boil. I'm also adding sugar to the water to bring to a boil. You actually need 4 of these. And this is where the unhealthy part comes in, but man, this is so good. We're gonna whisk the eggs, and then I'm gonna be adding flour in a moment. Basically, is there, of course, you want this consistency a little bit longer until it peaks, and then we're gonna add the flour to it. So now we're gonna add 4 1/3 cups of flour. Next, we're going to add 2 cups, 2/3 cups of mayonnaise. Oh, that's not good. I need to make sure that's allowed. Next, we're gonna add 6 tablespoons of condensed milk. Next, we're going to do 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. And next, we're going to do 2 tablespoons of honey. This we're going to be frying the chicken in a moment. So when the water and the sugar come to a boil, you add the 2 cups of 1/2. And you let it come to a boil. And a little bit, we'll take them out and we'll let them dry up on a baking sheet. So I just added the chicken to the rice flour. So just mixing it up, and we're gonna fry in just a moment.
So after this comes to a boiling point, you take it out and put it in a baking sheet. So I just finished eating that amazing plate. I only had the walnut chicken. George added rice on his, but I felt like it was too much for me, so I just had chicken. And let me tell you, I'm actually very surprised how good it was. So thumbs up for my husband for making a really good meal. And hopefully we're gonna get some more for tomorrow, so I'm excited to eat that tomorrow also. So if you are planning on trying this recipe, let me know. I'm gonna try to post everything down on the description box so you guys will have it and try to make it yourself, because it was really good if you guys like walnut chicken. Next time we're gonna try it with the walnut shrimp, which is my favorite, so I'm pumped for that. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It's something a little different, but you know, we are trying new things, new videos for you guys. So give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram, and also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much from the bottom of my heart for everybody that has already subscribed, been supporting our channel, and it just makes me so happy, super happy. Thank you, and thank you. All right guys, till next time.